Okay, well here we are, we're in Las Vegas. Having the day off today, we're going to see the
Wizard of Oz.
The lobby of the Sphere is really cool. It's on multi-levels and there are big escalators taking you up to your seats. There's also merchandise for the film, as well as concessions as well. A box of popcorn set us back about $8 and a bottle of water around about the same. Hey. Intensity was pretty much at a 10. The screen was so big, the sound was so loud, the auditorium had wind blowing in there and leaves and smoke, and the seat was rattling and it was just very, very loud, but it all added to the intensity of the movie. It was fantastic. Best part.
And during this part of the movie, foam apples started falling, but it was only towards the front section of the theater, probably the VIP section.
Does help. The Sphere in Las Vegas was truly cool, I think. The Wizard of Oz was a great way to show off what its capabilities are. It was pretty awesome, I have to say. I think it's worth the ticket money. Hopefully they're going to have a lot more events at the Sphere that are going to be just as cool. So I definitely recommend it. Big thumbs up.
It was great to see the Wizard of Oz at the Sphere. It's definitely an experience, and I would recommend it to anyone who is in town.